Hi, I'm Vijay. So basically, we are discussing here the interview Java question. Most recent, I have attended many interviews. So here I'm just explaining the interview question. So first question is most of the interviewer are asking, what is immutable object and how to create the custom immutable object in Java. So first, immutable means is unchangeable. So means like once we have initialized the value, we will not change the value of the object. Okay. So let's take some example. For example, string yes is equal to Vijay, and now we are trying to assign some value Ajay. So now if we will try to print the yes value, it will print the Vijay, not the Ajay, because string in Java is immutable class. This string is a immutable class or object. So once we have assigned any value, it you can't modify the value of the s. So now like immutable object like yes. So this yes memory it will stored in the constant pool area. Constant pool area. This is the memory. This is the memory which is present inside the heap. This constant pool area is a special type of memory which is present inside the heap, and this constant pool area memory stored all the immutable object wrapper class all are stored under the constant pool area. All our wrapper class also immutable object. Immutable, for example, integer, boolean, long, double. So uh, those are our predefined immutable object present in the Java. So first is the we can give the answer is like predefined some examples: wrapper class, string class, session factory, which is present in the our Hibernate. Those object or class are immutable in Java. So let's move into the custom immutable object. Custom immutable means like we have create our own immutable class. So our own immutable class for custom immutable class, for creating custom immutable class we need to follow the some prerequisites or requirement, some rule we need to follow to create the custom immutable class. So first rule is that like the class the class must be declared as a final. Declare as a final means if you any class make as a final means we can't create any child class, we can't inherit or we can't extend the value of, we can't the extend. Second, data member which is assigned inside this final class must be declared as a private and final. So if you make data member as a private means no one can access out of the scope. Second and final means once we have assigned the some value of that data member, we will not change the value of that members. So we must we follow these two. And third rule, we need to assign some value to the final data member. So for this we need to make parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor. Constructor. We make parameterized constructor. And fourth, we make getter method. So write getter method to read the member value. Member value. Data member value. So we need to follow four process. If we follow, if our class is fulfill these four requirement, means like that our class it's immutable. Hope you guys to understand. Let's move into the practical. Open our IntelliJ and we can make some code. So in src we can write class some class. Well, let's take class is the employ user. Employ, we are making employ user, or we can just take some other example. Okay, just take it, assume that. So first first what is the rule? First our class will be final. Okay, now all data member, let's take an private final int, take at Aadhaar card number. Now we make parameterized construct, go into the generator. Here we can create the constructor. We can select the Aadhaar card and just click it OK. Our parameterized constructor will be created. Now go generate our the getter method, so we can read only the value. So here our getter method will come. Now we make main method public static void main. Here we can make, and we can declare the string argument here inside the declare string argument. Now we can create the object of employee user. We can create the emp user is equal to new emp user and pass the Aadhaar card number inside this number. Let's suppose our integer, our Aadhaar card number is this. And now we can print the value system dot out dot println we can use, and inside this we can just print the value emp. Let's take and just use the get method, get Aadhaar card. Here 1 minute something. Okay, emp user. Yeah, so let's take get Aadhaar card and just read it the okay. So okay, just run that. So cannot find symbol class employee origin. Okay, so okay, so just should be naming convention is same. So just take it. Now our class is correct. Now we can run and we can see the our Aadhaar card. Now if you want to try to change the value, we can't change the value of anything. So now our class it's custom class. Our class will be cancelled. So here we follow the class as a final. We make as a private and final data member, and we have created one parameterized constructor, and we make one getter method to read the value, and we have print the value of that, and we have assigned value inside the constructor. Hope you understand. Thank you. Bye bye.